Wait, what? The battery is almost full. Look at the indicator. Still over 3 bars. So, why won't it run anymore? What's going on here? Is something wrong with this battery? At first, I thought it was just worn out. But after testing, I realized it isn't normal. Under load, it falls apart. No power, no consistency. Something's wrong. Hey, how about opening it up? Inside, everything looks normal. Multiple cells, nothing obviously is wrong. At least. Let's check them one by one. First cell, good. Second, good. Third, still good. Fourth, also good. Oh, now this one. Hey, wait. That's not normal. The voltage is really low. Hold on. This might not be the only problem. I've seen parts like this fall in much worse ways. Hey, this cell is way weaker than the others, and under load, it drops much faster. I think that's the problem, because in a battery pack, all the cells have to work together. If one of them is weak, obviously it pulls everything down. When you put the pack under load, this weak cell drops first, and once that happens, the whole pack starts to struggle. Sometimes the system shuts it down early. On the BMS, shuts it down early. A battery pack is only as strong as its weakest cell. So even if most of the cells are fine, just one bad cell can ruin the whole pack. There are a lot more batteries like this out there, and I'm going to test as many as I can. I test stuff like this all the time, and some of the results are pretty surprising. Bye bye, see you, have a nice day.